Now that you have your shape for your design, the last portion of this is, if you have time and would be interested in doing this, we have one more step that you can do. And this is remove material from the bottom to the top. It's quite a bit harder, and you will struggle with it if you decide to do this. But it may be worthwhile to you, and if you have the time, go ahead and do it. We'll be using the exact same steps. First, denoting an area that you would like to remove. Now you have to kind of think ahead on this. First off, you need to start with something that's on the outside original edge. If the outside original edge is not there, I recommend drawing a line in that allows you to see it. And what I'd like to remove is a little bit of the bottom here of my block. I'm going to do it by first making this outside bottom edge. From there, I want to come up, I don't know, 3/4 sounds about right. You might have to look at this later and find out if it doesn't work by switching to the right view. If you notice, this cutout, if I were to take it, would cut into this. Ergo, that will not work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to undo and go back and try that again. Again, denoting the bottom. I'm not going to go up 3/4 this time. I'm going to go up 5/8. Bring it down back to where I started. Creating the triangle I'm going to try to remove. Again, check it. And if it's not there, you might want to take a look at your drawing. Sometimes it'll go on a weird plane. Right now, I'd be willing to bet it's on the top plane. You can see it is right here. This is where the challenge comes in, because the computer will sometimes select the plane it feels like going to. So again, delete it. Maybe make sure you're really tight to this line this time. Again, I'm going to go with 1/2 and bring it back down here. But if you notice, it looks like it fell off the plane again, as it did. So sometimes you might have to just bring it up and eyeball where you want it. Seems to have stayed with it that time. Check it with your right view. There we go. Got the where we want. From there, just like before, select what you want to be on this, modify and join it. Once it's joined, make sure it's all there. Extrude it. Click on it, hit enter. Extrude past. Solve, subtract. Select what you want to keep. Enter. Select what you want to get rid of. Enter. It's now created more of a shape. Again, you always want to check for these issues. If it cuts into here, this is not going to work. Surprisingly, last time I chose 5/8, this time I put 1/2 and it seems to have gone to the same position, but it's a problem that can be fixed. So as you can see, I fixed my problem, bringing it down. I didn't show you because I felt you could handle that simply using the same steps we had before.